Hi, good morning. This is Yunus and this is my daily English speaking challenge video. This is day third. Although I said it's my daily English speaking challenge video, but I couldn't make it daily. But I'm working on it so that I can make it daily. Anyway, right now I'm walking along this path. Actually, it's a village path because I live in a village and it's a really beautiful place. Also, it has many natural beauty that's I enjoy very much. However, you can see behind me a village man is coming. I think he is going to bazaar to collect its daily basic needs like vegetables, chilies, fish, etc.